Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and in this video we're going to be styling my hair. Okay, this video is kind of a types of ways to style your hair. Anyways, none of this style was okay on me, none of them were nice on me, but anyways, let's get into the video. Yeah, and sorry, before we start, I'm going to tell you guys that remember my last video. Yeah, I'm just going to show you guys some of the things I got as Christmas present. Firstly, I got that ash hoodie. Then I got this black hoodie too. I don't know, but I got like 2 hoodies. Then I got if you check my comment section, you see when someone said they'll give me hoodie and they got it. And then this is from my best friend, you know, for me to cry out my sorrow and pain. love you guys.